Gator School, and we are unboxing the puzzle that I told you guys. And should we unbox it?
Yeah, go for it if you can get it.
Okay. Come on. Okay, I can see a little bit of it. But is there any instructions?
Well, just open the whole box. Get it out.
I'm trying to help this thing.
True.
This is your toy.
He's excited. He
Like,
can't wait. Look at him.
Dad, look at his dog.
He's waiting impatiently.
Thank you for waiting patiently.
He is being pretty good, isn't he?
Okay, I need help.
You need help?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll unbox it for you.
So these are bark bagels, like the perfect thing. So let's put them in.
Where'd we get the bark bagels?
From the bark box. We got a bark box, not on camera, because that wasn't when we started filming videos. We hide a treat in it.
Some too. We should put their pizza on a couple of them too, don't you think? Or just bagels?
I think just bagels.
Okay.
Okay. I think we can hide them.
And then use these guys to hide those.
Okay. Let's grab an bagel and let's put it in here. Okay, I think this is where you're supposed to put a tree. Oh, do the slidey things.
Yep. So put it under two of the slidey things. And then cover them up. So which ones do you want to put? Where do you want to put them?
Okay, I got two for the two slidey
Okay, so we
things.
can maybe put one there. And maybe put one there. Oh, like that. Okay.
Okay. Oop, I forgot to close this.
Alright, do you think that's it?
Yep.
We gotta fill the treats. Alright, seal up the bag and
Okay.
he's not very far away, is he? He's super excited.
He's super excited to play this.
He really likes the bark box treats, doesn't he?
Yep. Okay, let's put this on the ground. See how he does.
Oh, we're gonna do it in the kitchen. It'll be a little easier for him. Okay?
Look over, little kitty.
Lucy, do you think that's for you?
No, it's for the dog that is sitting over there.
The dog is shaking and drooling like crazy right now.
Alright, Trio, go. Go on.
Go.
Go get it.
Go.
Try
You're
your best.
supposed to open those things.
Let's
Okay.
see how good he does. Trio, get it.
It's a treat.
Get it. Trio.
It's a treat.
He got it.
Get it.
Lucy's gonna steal it from you.
No, it's not kitty treat.
Trio, go on. Get it. He knocked it off and now he's nervous. Are you nervous?
No, you can get it.
Oh, Trio. Come on. Get it. Get the treat. Come on,
Get it.
Trio. Trio, come on. Get the treats. Get him. Get the treats. Right there. Get the treats. Trio, come on.
There's a treat right here. He likes to eat it. if
He's
you
really
put it on
scared.
Okay.
Come on. Let's get him. Good boy.
Aw. Hey, knock it over. Knock it over.
Oh, calm down.
Knock it
He'll
over.
get it. There you go. Good boy. Good job.
Maybe he's
Keep
nervous
going.
because I'm here. Are you nervous because I'm in front of the thing?
Come on, keep going. Trio, come on. Come on, Trio. Good boy. What else is in there? In there. Come on, Trio. Trio, you've got this. Come on, Trio. What does this do? Come on, Trio. Get the treats. Come on. I can't believe he's just giving up. Trio, come on. Come on, you got this. Come on, Trio. Come on. Come on, this is level 2. You're smarter than this. Hmm. Are you smarter than this? Come on, Trio. Come on. You got this. Look at that. Look at that. What's that? Trio, look.
You're not supposed to eat the bone, you're supposed to push the bone up.
There you go. Use your paws.
Use your paws. Use your
Yes. Yay! Good boy!
Good job, Trio! Good boy! He's like,
There's more. Go get it.
There's more.
there's more
in here.
More. Trio!
Oh no. Come on, Trio. There's more in here. Come on.
There's more treats.
You almost had it.
You had it. Oh, dude, I think he's distracted.
Come on, you got this.
Now.
Good boy! Yay!
Did he do it again?
Yeah. Well, now he's like, I got those. I figured that out. Come on, Trio. You got this.
Trio, does Bumble, the other thing with the bone switch, have treats in it?
I can't. Oh, he almost had it. It's slipping too much. Yay, Trio! He did it.
You did the whole game.
Nope, he's got one more switch. Good boy. You got all of